Hey everyone, Team Blossom coming at you with this week's video on Flexships. So we will be learning how to push back a Flexship or how to edit a Flexship. So without further ado, let's get to it. As you can see here, I am at the mymonat.com website, and I have my username and my password, and I will log in. This is similar to what you will need to do as well, except I have more tabs up here because I'm a market partner, so do not worry about that. What you want to do is click on business and my Flexship. We have the exact same process, you and I. So just a quick reminder that a Flexship is something you control. So you can control what is being shipped to you and as well as when it is being shipped to you. So in total, a VIP has 3 Flexships to place. Your first initial order was your first Flexship, so that one's done. Now you have 2 more to place, and they have to be a minimum of $110 before taxes. And we often have flash sales every month. These do not qualify as Flexships. So if you bought the flash sale, pay attention to your email because you will still get a notification that a Flexship is due, and you have to do this exact process of logging in and pushing it back because you can push it back up to 60 days at a time. So as you can see here, I have a Flexship for myself, and you're seeing the MP prices with 30% off. So this won't be the same for you, but you will see that my next shipment is May 11th, 2018. I have it set at every other month and my total. Now what I want to do, let's say I wanted to simply change the date. I like what's in this order, but I want it sooner. I don't want to wait till May. So you want to click in change of date and then click on the calendar, and then you can pick it sooner. Or you can push it to a later date, which I can push it back to June 18th. So we'll go with that for now. I submit, and voila, it was successfully updated. And if I scroll down here, I could see that it's set for June. Easy enough, right? So let's say I actually change my mind and I don't want these items. I want to switch them up. So then you would click on edit, and then it'll take me to my order. And as an MP, we have the luxury of being able to remove them completely. As a VIP, you do not have that luxury. So what I would suggest is you add products, and then when you're done, you can delete them because you're not able to clear your whole Flexship. There always has to be a minimum of something there because you're committed to placing more orders. So let's say I want to add products here. So I really like the mask because I have blonde hair now, and it's really important to use the mask for that. And then let's say I also want, what do I want? I want another magnet. No, I actually would like the detangler. Okay. Now I can see what is in my order, and I didn't want the leave-in conditioner, so that's being deleted. And I also didn't want the tussle texturizing mist. I don't want beach waved hair just yet. So now I could see my order is all there, and I could see my total here. This is my total before taxes. So what you do now, once you're okay with everything on there, you go to next. And then you want to select your address. And then you want next. So suggested retail price. So this is what it's worth. This is what I'm getting it at for my MP price. So you'll have that exact same, except it won't be as much of a discount because you'll have 15% off instead of 30% off. Now ground shipping, so I could see that is 0. That's important because as a VIP you get free shipping if your order is above 110. And then I will go to next. And then I have my credit card info, perfect. And then it's confirming all of the information. You want to double check that everything is good. And then I save my Flexship. Flexship has been successfully changed. And then I double check down here. So yep, these are my items and there's my shipping date. So that completes today's tutorial on how to edit and push back your Flexship. As always, if you have any questions, please email us at support@blossomteam.com. Have a great day.